The GROW project was made possible because we were given funding from the Scottish Library and Information Council, which allowed us to use library spaces both inside and outside the library to grow produce for the benefit of the community.
There were 4 public libraries and 2 school libraries taking part in the project. Each library and school library is delivering the project very differently, between working with school programmes to volunteers to working in partnership with Duke of Edinburgh and various other partners.
Well, what we did, we've got this display behind you, and it was all about growing your own food and trying not to waste food. So I did a sort of theory side of the growing as well, and we did some projects about how it starts. We got tyres and we painted tyres, and then the men's shed made us as they called it, a wooden coffin. It's really a big wooden trough, and we grew cabbages and beetroot and peas and lettuce in it. We approached Cafe Solace, who have a cafe running in Bridgend Community Centre on a Friday night, and they came and they took some of the vegetables to cook for the people who use Cafe Solace. And then once the schools came back, they took the rest of the vegetables and made it into soup.
Initially I was quite daunting, thinking how we were going to fit this in, but it turned out to be quite community based and quite exciting as well, and we managed to work with about 4 or 5 different groups locally. Worked with the Argyll Centre. They then started their own garden group in the library on a Friday meeting, looking after the garden, planting tomatoes, getting the greenhouse up and running, which North Ayrshire provided through the funding. And we had strawberries, we gave them out to the community. We had a book author event, also involved with the schools, just watering the plants and looking after the caterpillars that were eating our sunflowers. There was also the 3 town growers up at Madrossan. They were down and gave us some advice on what plants to plant in the next stage of the garden, looking at after winter, after Christmas time. We enjoyed it, and the groups that came in seemed to enjoy it as well, and the feedback we've had has been very positive. So hopefully it will continue into next year and we'll have another crop. For me, the Grow North Ayrshire project was good fun. It brought in different aspects to the library and lots of new people showing different interests as well. So yeah, I would say let's do it again.
There was an opportunity to grow things. I'm known as a plant murderer. Never grown anything since I grew cress when I was a child, but I've killed lots of house plants. So I wanted to have a go. I particularly wanted children to see the link between seeds and the food that they have, and I wanted to be able to link into recipe books. I decided to run a bunch of sessions in the summer, every week, and it was dropping. If you felt like coming, if it's raining, you didn't. They were really, really successful. The children loved it. We learned a lot from it. I grew peppers. I did buy them as a little plant from the supermarket. But did you know that peppers grow outside in Scotland? So you can see I'm enthusiastic about it. Lettuce. The lettuce thrived. Astounding. Tomatoes, I grew them inside. Kept bringing bigger canes to put them on. The Grow North Ayrshire project has been exciting. It just adds to everyone's life. I didn't know it was going to add to mine.
Now that we've reached the end of this project, we've created a legacy in terms of our tool library and our seed library, which is available for our communities to borrow, as well as our library staff, and all the communities and all the participants that have been involved are really committed to keeping this project going.
The future for Grow North Ayrshire is the idea that most libraries will be involved and have some sort of project within their library, and also get more school libraries involved in the project. We would just like to say thank you to the Scottish Libraries and Information Council for the funding, but also thank you to all the participants who took part in the project.